In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Smartsheet. Before we jump in, a quick note. Deleting a workspace is a permanent action. When you delete a workspace, everything inside it goes with it, including sheets, reports, dashboards, and folders. So make sure you've backed up or moved anything important before you follow through with these steps. Let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of the screen. In the navigation panel, you'll see an option labeled Workspaces. Go ahead and click on Workspaces. This section is where all of your shared and personal workspaces live, so this is the place you'll always go to manage them. After you've clicked on Workspaces, you'll see a list of the workspaces you have access to. Take a moment to carefully find the workspace you want to delete. It's a good idea to double-check the name and, if needed, open it briefly to confirm it really is the one you no longer need. Deleting the wrong workspace can cause you to lose important data, so this extra check is worth the time. Once you're sure you've found the correct workspace in the list, move your mouse over its name in the left panel. Now, instead of left-clicking, you're going to right-click on that workspace name. This will open a context menu with several options for managing that workspace. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Delete, and click on it. Smartsheet knows this is a serious action, so it won't delete the workspace immediately. Instead, a confirmation window or dialog box will pop up on your screen. In this confirmation window, Smartsheet will usually remind you that deleting the workspace will remove its contents permanently, or at least make it clear that this is not easily reversible. Read that message carefully. If you're still confident that you want to go ahead, click on the Delete button in that confirmation window. Once you click Delete, Smartsheet will process your request and the workspace will be removed from your workspaces list. If you don't see it anymore, that means the deletion was successful. And that's it, you've successfully deleted a workspace in Smartsheet.